Are chia seeds really the secret to losing weight, or just another overhyped superfood? You've probably seen them in smoothies, puddings, and even weight loss shakes. But can these tiny black seeds truly shrink your waistline? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what chia seeds can and can't do for your body, and how to use them the right way. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about health foods in the world: chia seeds. They're small, powerful, and packed with nutrients. But before you start adding spoonfuls of them to everything, let's uncover the science behind their benefits, especially when it comes to weight loss. So, what exactly are chia seeds? Chia comes from a plant that belongs to the mint family and is native to Mexico. Historically, chia was a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans. They even considered it sacred for its energy-boosting powers. When these seeds touch liquid, something magical happens. They expand and form a gel-like texture. That's why you often see them in puddings and smoothies. Technically, chia isn't a grain. It's what we call a pseudo-grain, meaning it behaves like one but isn't. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Can chia seeds actually help you lose weight? The internet is full of bold claims that chia seeds suppress your appetite, control cravings, and melt away fat. Well, here's the truth. Chia seeds can support weight loss, but they're not a quick fix. Why? Because these little seeds are packed with fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give you almost 10 grams of it. That's around 40% of your daily need. Fiber helps you feel full longer and keeps your digestive system running smoothly, which can naturally reduce overeating. However, and this is important, chia seeds are also calorie-dense. 2 tablespoons have about 138 calories and 9 grams of fat. So yes, they're nutritious, but if you eat them in excess, they can add calories instead of helping you lose them. Moderation is key. Let's talk science. Recent studies have mixed results when it comes to chia seeds and weight loss. A 2024 review of 10 studies showed that chia seed supplementation might help reduce waist circumference in people who are overweight. But then, a 2025 review of 8 studies found no major effect on body weight or body composition. So, what does this mean? Experts agree that chia seeds are not magic, but they can be part of a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and smart habits. In short, chia seeds are your ally, not your answer. Even if weight loss isn't guaranteed, chia seeds are still one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. According to the American Society for Nutrition, they're loaded with insoluble fiber, which helps with digestion and prevents constipation. They also deliver healthy omega-3 fats, plant-based protein, and powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. And when it comes to minerals, chia seeds are a powerhouse. They're rich in calcium, iron, zinc, copper, manganese, niacin, and magnesium, all crucial for energy, metabolism, and bone health. One study even found that adding chia seeds to a diet for people with type 2 diabetes improved blood sugar control and heart health, with no side effects reported. Dr. Andrew Weil, a well-known health expert, says chia seeds actually contain more omega-3 fatty acids than flax seeds. And unlike flax, chia has a longer shelf life because it's packed with natural antioxidants. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and lower your risk of heart disease, all while supporting brain health. So, even if chia doesn't melt belly fat overnight, it definitely helps your body function better from the inside out. Okay, so how can you enjoy chia seeds every day without getting bored? Let's explore some easy, tasty options. First, smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia to your fruit or veggie smoothie. It thickens beautifully and adds fiber. Next, pudding. Mix chia with almond milk, vanilla, and a little honey. Let it sit overnight, and you'll have a creamy, guilt-free dessert or breakfast. You can also add chia seeds to salad dressings with olive oil, lemon juice, and vinegar for a natural thickener. In baked goods, you can use chia gel as an egg substitute. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia with 3 tablespoons of water to replace 1 egg. Add them to granola or energy bars for an extra crunch and fiber boost. Or try a chia drink. Combine water, lemon, and chia for a refreshing chia fresca, a traditional Mexican energy drink. Finally, add chia to fruit puree for jam or popsicle mix. A fun way to sneak nutrients into kids' snacks. You see, chia is versatile, easy to use, and works in both sweet and savory recipes. Now, a quick word of caution. Chia seeds are safe for most people, but in rare cases, they can cause allergic reactions. If you take blood thinners like warfarin or Coumadin, or blood pressure medications, talk to your doctor first. Because chia can naturally lower blood pressure and affect clotting, it's better to be safe than sorry. So here's the bottom line. Chia seeds do deserve their superfood status. They're rich in fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants, and minerals, and when used smartly, they can absolutely support your health and weight goals. Just remember, there's no shortcut to a healthy body. Combine chia with a balanced diet, movement, and mindful eating, and you'll see lasting results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.